Did you know? Today in the blue sea of Gangasagar, a little dolphin stopped a terrible storm, and she was helped by just one tiny fisherman boy. Listen to this amazing story of Chunchul and Chotu. Chotu was the son of a poor fisherman who lived on the shores of Gangasagar. Every morning he would take his tiny boat out to catch fish. He had no big boat, no big net, just a small basket and a heart full of courage. One day Chotu was sitting on the seashore when he saw something in the water. A small blue dolphin was stuck on the sand and struggling. Chotu's heart filled with sadness, he ran and reached her quickly. Chotu splashed water on the dolphin with his little hands and slowly pushed her towards the sea. The dolphin's eyes were looking at Chotu as if she was saying thank you. After a little while, the dolphin slipped back into the water. The next day when Chotu went fishing in his boat, the same dolphin came back. She came near the boat and started jumping happily and making squeaky sounds. Chotu shouted with joy, "Hey! This is my dolphin." Chotu named the dolphin Chunchul. Now every day Chunchul would swim alongside Chotu's boat and help him catch fish. The village people were amazed. Oh! This boy and the dolphin have become true best friends. One day the richest fisherman in the village, Fat Sethi Ramlal, saw Chotu. He thought, if I catch this dolphin I can sell her in the city and earn lots of money. Ramlal called his men and prepared a huge net. At night when Chotu was sleeping, Ramlal's men sneaked into the sea and trapped Chunchul in the big net. Chunchul started struggling and crying with squeaky sounds. Her voice reached Chotu's ears and he woke up from sleep. Chotu came running to the seashore. He saw Chunchul was trapped in the net. His heart started beating fast. But Ramlal had a big boat, big men, what could little Chotu do alone? Just then a super smart idea came to Chotu's mind. Chotu filled his basket with lots of shiny fish and started throwing them into the sea. Seeing all the fish, hundreds of other dolphins came there. Together they surrounded Ramlal's boat from all sides and started splashing water hard. Ramlal and his men got so scared that they dropped Chunchul's net and started running away. The dolphins rocked the boat side to side. Ramlal screamed loudly to avoid falling in the water, "Help! Help! We will never catch a dolphin again." Chunchul was free from the net. She swam fast to Chotu and started licking his hands. Tears of joy came to Chotu's eyes. All the dolphins jumped together in the water to celebrate, as if the whole ocean was dancing. The next morning the news spread across the whole village. Everyone came running to Chotu. The village elder placed his hand on Chotu's head and said, "Son, you alone did what all of us together could not have done. You are a true braveheart." Ramlal was very ashamed. He came to Chotu, bowed and apologized saying, "I was about to do wrong out of greed. From today I will never harm any animal." Chotu smiled and forgave him. From that day on, the story of Chotu and Chunchul's friendship became famous on the shores of Gangasagar. Every day Chunchul would swim with Chotu's boat and help him catch lots of fish. And remember children, true friendship and courage can solve even the biggest problems.